Hello student, hope you all are well. Today we are going to study report writing for class 12th under advanced writing skill. So our topic is report writing. Now let us go through the development of this topic. What is report writing? To present a comprehensive narration of the event or incident occurred, a witness, an audience, a spectator, a reporter presents his observations. Students, what is the meaning of spectator? Spectators are those people who see or watch the things. Audience, who listen the things. Witness, who is present at the time of the incident happens. And reporter, who reports the facts. Now let us go through another slide. When to be reported? Soon after the completion of the occurrence of the event incident, after a few days. So here two types of reporting can be categorized. That is newspaper reports, usually the next day. TV, All India Radio news reading within a few minutes, hours, and the very same day. Kinds of reports. Newspaper reports, as you have seen in the newspapers. School or magazine reports, as you can see in your annual school magazine. Reports to be read out in the school assembly, as you are witnessing that every day some reports are read. A short speech, it can also be termed. Now design of a report, that is very important in the point of view of the writing skills. Format, body, that can also be called matter. Expression. So expression is an important thing. CBSE marking scheme that has to be followed during your evaluation. Format 1 marks, matter 4 marks, expression 5 marks. Format. What is format? It can also be termed as layout. Look at the following example. Gujarat inundated. What is the meaning of inundated? Inundated means when heavy rain falls, then some part of the land has been submerged into the water. That is called inundated. Or you can say water is there and the earth has been depleted by it. Staff reporter, Gandhinagar, August 2020 or 2019, 2021, as the current date or year may be. The heavy rain lashed the entire Gujarat. So this is the layout. First of all, you will have to write the title, followed by the name of the reporter, followed by the place and date. Date can be termed as time. Now example 2, petrol or diesel price hiked. This is the title. Hiked means the prices are up, the prices are more. Special correspondent, New Delhi, August 20, 2020, 2021, as the case may be. On the much expected lines, the ONGC pressurized the government, which resulted in the price hike of petrol and diesel with effect from midnight, much to the anguish of the innocent public. Anguish means pain or anger. And these are the introductory lines. Now analysis. Heading is noticeable. Heading must be catchy. Heading must be attractive. Reporter's name or reporter's identity must be there. Place of reporting, date line. The matter runs through later on. Content. Points gathering. Points arrangement. Interconnectivity. What do you mean by interconnectivity? Interconnectivity means there should be a coherence. There should be a precedence of incidents. What happens first, then what follows next. This is called interconnectivity. Logical sequence. It also refers to the sequence of the events. Editing, addition or deletion. Content format. There are some paragraph techniques, that is introduction, main points and conclusion. The ending usually has some impressions, expectations, suggestions or appeal. For example, if we talk about a school, that is JNV Doda Ballapur, Children deserve appreciation for their noble act of taking up the cleanliness drive. That is impression. The public desires that integrating rivers from north to south is the only solution. This is expectation that you can write in the conclusion of the report. The Union Health Minister, these are the examples only, reiterated that it will no more be tolerated. This is warning. It is high time that IIMS doctors report for duty immediately, whereas the grievances can be sorted out across the table. Now 7 points formula you must remember. Purpose of the report, time of occurrence, date and time, venue of the occurrence of the event, facts, detail points on which based data, presentation, sub points to remember, developing the points, hints into a paragraph, and points alignment. What do you mean by alignment? Alignment means when you present your topics in an organized manner, that is called alignment. Take care of language, task completion, edit some addition or deletion, and with a purpose as you begin. Language and expression. Simple sentences you will have to write. Use of sentence connectors like yet, but, and, etc. When the reporter rushed to the spot of mishap, these are the examples. The minister left his office as soon as is a connector. He received a fax from the CM office. The spectators invaded the cricket pitch soon after. Here soon after is used as a connector, you know. It is used as a connector. Now, use of indirect expressions. It is learnt, this is to confirm, reliable sources say that, what was observed, like that. Use of passive voice. This is a very important you can say point here in report writing. The injured were rushed to the hospital, like that. The memorandum was handed over. Instructions were issued by the district collector that the relief materials, these all are the examples, were to be issued to the flood affected victims without any delay. Vocabulary, it must be clear, suitable words, selection, simple words. Use of tenses, because it is reported after the occurrence of the event. Past tense is preferably used in report writing. Immediate past, when we talk about some immediate past, then we use present perfect tense. It has resulted into a huge loss, etc. This is the example. Scheduled future activity, some simple present tense we can also use in report writing, but in a limited manner. The Indian Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh visits the Amarnath temple as per the original plan. The Union Telecom Minister Dr. Dayanidhi Maran inaugurates. Special attention please, school assembly report, no necessary for deadline. Okay, if you all have to, there are, as I told you in the earlier slide or the session, that there are three kinds of reports. One is newspaper, the other one is magazine report writing, and the third one is assembly. In your school assembly, a report writing or some speech you will have to deliver. So here there is no necessary for the deadline. The report presenter's name by line must be there, and salutation like dear sir, friends must be there. Special attention please, in a school magazine report only past tense as well as all events reported in the magazine are past events. Only the byline, that is reporter's name, is there. There must not be any date line. Heading is mandatory. Mandatory means it is compulsory. Some doubts of the students from the side of the students, which is guessed and expected by me. Where should the reporter's name appear? Most of the students ask this question. Next to the date line or soon after the content. Some exceptions are here. When a VVIP attends the function, what did the VVIP say in the chief guest remarks is generally highlighted. Then the actual details of the function, that is details regarding the function, takes the big seat. Some tips are here. Report heading, no sentence form, B form eliminated. You need not to write B form like that, B, is, etc. Here some examples are there. 15,000 died, 2,345 missing in that tsunami near Nagapattinam in Tamil Nadu. Children's, you know that there is no plural of children's. Children itself is a plural, but here I have used it as a possessive. Possessive means when we have some relationship, that's why I have used children's, and after s you can notice that there is an apostrophe. So children's cannot be used like plural. Children itself is a plural, and when we use it as a possessive, then we put a apostrophe after s. Film festival inaugurated, $75,000 billion released to India. Some simple present tense uses President hails Olympic medal winner. Passive voice, the launching of MSLV deferred. Crop loan to farmers withdrawn till October. Stock expressions, eyewitness claim that. The reporter was informed that. The police informed the minister that. It was understood that. These are the indirect sentences. Had there we know trolleyman, the train accident could have been averted. Suggestions for the content development, teachers model presentation and discussion initially. Newspaper clippings, you can there is a very good you can say activity that you can do, that you can collect some clippings of the newspaper report writings and you can have an idea from there. Browsing, study, discussion, group discussion or role play can also be exercised among you. Guided practice activities like developing report writing. Some fill in the blanks can also be helpful to understand about the report writing. The chief was honored with a, so you will have to supplement a question or a sentence to complete this. The lorry driver responsible for the. Now some sentence completions is continued. In the train accident site it was noticed that. Okay, so here such kind of examples are only examples I have incorporated here. When the chief guest arrived the ground, the principal, the chief guest was. So here you will have to put some fillers. Chief guest, all the present gathered at the ground, national flag, a speech. Okay. Supply the alternate sentences. So here is a small exercise for you. Opening sentences and closing sentences missed whereas the entire matter is provided. The students will have to furnish the opening and the closing sentences. So here you found something in the report writing. If you do not understand this topic clearly, you can give me feedback on my Google Classrooms as well as WhatsApp chat messengers, so that that topic about the feedback of this topic can be received from your side and you can be in a better way taught about this topic, because this is a very important topic which is again and again asking in the CBSE examinations as a question number 6 in your board examinations under advanced writing skills. So I hope that you have enjoyed the topic. So one assignment which I am going to give you, that you collect any newspaper report writing in English and you see the patterns that in which the report writing has been written. So thank you very much for watching this video and have a nice time.